In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello automation. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple rule that takes care of a repetitive task for you, so your board stays organized without extra clicks. First, open your board. Pick the one where you already manage your tasks, since that's where automation will have the biggest impact. You'll see your lists and cards as usual. And we're going to add an automation that reacts to something you already do, like moving a card from one list to another. Next, open automation. Look for the lightning bolt icon at the top of your board and click it. From the options, choose Rules. Rules let you define a cause and an effect. When something happens, Trello does something for you automatically. This is great for keeping your workflow consistent across your team or just saving yourself time. Now click Create Automation. You'll be asked to add trigger. The trigger is the when of your rule, the event that starts it. Click Add Trigger, then pick the condition that fits your workflow. For example, choose when a card is moved into a specific list. If you always move cards to a done list, that's a perfect trigger. You're telling Trello, when this happens, pay attention. After your trigger is set, it's time to add action. The action is the then part, what Trello should do for you. Click to select an action like add a label or set a date. For instance, you might add a green label when a card reaches done, so finished work is easy to spot at a glance. Or you might set a due date when a card enters an in progress list, keeping timelines consistent. Pick one action that aligns with your process and confirm the details so it behaves exactly the way you expect. Finally, click Save to enable the automation. Saving turns your rule on immediately, so you don't have to revisit any settings. From now on, whenever your trigger occurs, Trello will automatically perform the action you chose. You should see the change reflected on the card right away the next time that situation happens. That's all it takes. Open your board, open automation, and choose rules. Create your automation by adding a trigger. Add the action you want Trello to take, and save. Keep it simple. Start with one rule, and let Trello handle the repetitive steps so you can focus on the work that matters. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it.